I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 1 Zombies error. Make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Now select the NVIDIA app appearing. Alternatively, you can select and open the AMD app. Now once this opens, so make sure to sign up with an account or log in with your established one. Now go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. After that, go to the drivers icon to select install or download button appearing instead of the reinstall button right here. For the next method, go to the search and type in device manager. Now once this appears, go to the display adapters, open it, select the second one, note your integrated graphics card, right click and select update driver, select search automatically for drivers and click on close. Now next, go to the upside arrow in your Windows taskbar. If you do have the launcher that you have the game on appearing, like Steam, make sure to right click on it and select exit. Just wait for a short period of time. After that, make sure to reopen your game launcher. Now from here, go to the Steam logo and then select check for Steam client updates. Make sure to download the latest client in order to prevent any issue happening. After that, go to the library and select collections. From here, search for your Call of Duty game. I don't have it installed, so once you select it, select this manage icon and click on properties. After that, select this -dx11 command. Next, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish. Do not close or restart your computer before doing that. Once done, close this and then go to the Steam logo and again go to settings. Now in the left menu, select downloads, scroll down and select clear cache. After that, click confirm. Once done, go to the storage, select the drive that you have Call of Duty on. After that, go to these three dots and select repair library. Before trying to restart your computer, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to settings, select the Windows update element and make sure to download and install the latest updates to prevent any issue. I hope the problem is fixed. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.